Lots of people talk about selling things on Amazon, but there's a whole new place that you can and should be selling, and of course that place is eBay. So what's the best way to get your Amazon listing transferred over to eBay? In this video, I'm going to show you some really simple solutions to do that. Now, if you like this kind of content, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you want more like this, subscribe to my channel because we post brand new content each and every day. And if you've got a question for me or just some feedback, post in the comments below and I'll get to that for you as well. All right, with that being said, let's get into it. How do you sell your stuff on eBay if you're selling on Amazon? Okay, so this is a cool thing to do. If you are selling your things on Amazon, you absolutely must start selling them on eBay as well. You absolutely must start doing that. There are people in Australia that only shop on eBay. They won't shop on Amazon. Just like there's people in your town. There's probably a Coles and a Woolies in your town, and you probably shop at one of them. But they each offer pretty much the same thing, okay? So as a brand owner, which one should you sell in? Well, you should sell in both of them. That makes sense, yeah? So if you're not on Amazon, if you're not on eBay, get onto it. How'd you do that? So here's what I do. First of all, you should know that you cannot use fulfilled by Amazon for eBay. You used to be able to do that. So you could just have your listing up on eBay and then fulfill your customers, your eBay customers, via FBA. You used to be able to do that. You can't do that anymore. So eBay has stopped that, as evidenced there, because they don't want, of course, eBay buyers to buy on eBay and then receive an Amazon box. They're not interested in that. So they stopped it. Anyway, so you can't do that anymore. So you have to, therefore, either ship yourself, nightmare, or use a third-party logistics company to do that. And if you go to the Facebook group, the AOE Facebook group, you'll see loads and loads of third-party logistics recommendations in there. Okay, so the one I use, PickPack. That's why I spelt it wrong. Anyway, that's what I use. They're great, but they may not be great for you. Yeah, they're scale, so I don't know if they'll be right for you when you're just getting started. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. Chat to them, you'll get to find out. Anywho, so sell on both. Simplest way to do that is to use this software, Joe Lister. That's all I did. I just used Joe Lister, and what it does is it takes your Amazon listing and takes it over to your eBay listing. Super easy to do. Takes 5 minutes to do it. Dead easy. I'm not getting any affiliate commissions or anything crazy like that. Boom. But that's what I used. They were really good. I think it's super cheap as well. So yeah. They'll also do Shopify now as well. So they kind of take your Amazon listing and copy it over to Shopify for you as well. You want to do that kind of stuff. Like the more places you can sell, the better. The more opportunities your customers have to buy from you, the better. So let me give you an example of how that works. So here is Ugreen. This is a phone holder. Okay, Ugreen phone holder. Okay, so that's the listing on Amazon. Here is the listing on eBay. Here is the listing on Shopify. Here is the listing on Lazada, which is a very popular website over in the Philippines and Southeast Asia region, so Vietnam, Philippines, Indonesia, places like that. If you're in that region, that's where you have to be. Interesting story about those guys with a company called Rocket Internet, which are very smart dudes. They started that, ripped off eBay and Amazon. Anyway, so that's where you have to be on that. And then also, of course, you should also in America be selling on Walmart as well. So that's how you do that. You sell there, you sell there, you sell on your own site, and then you sell on your other competing sites like Lazada, and if you can, you sell on Walmart as well, okay? The more places you can sell, the better. You should be as many places as possible, okay? It doesn't cost you anything to do that, not in real terms anyway. Any questions on that? Is eBay popular in the States? Yes. I mean, it's all relative, of course, but yeah, there's still people who will only shop on eBay. You know, people are creatures of habit. Think of yourself. The hardest thing to do is to change an ingrained habit, and that's why most people stay stuck, I mean, in life. So when it comes to shopping online, people have got ingrained habits, and so rather than expect your customers to change their habits, you have to change your habits and move to where they are. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,000 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. Bye.